Coming next Saturday at 9 a.m, a major exclusive interview with Mooney Powell's co-creators Stephen Fay and Tom at the New York Transit Museum.
My intention was to make an evergreen product. Evergreen is something that doesn't go away, doesn't have cycles.
The pair also revealed whether they'll be making the R211 subway trains, the Bronx subway station sticker books, and other projects, buses and trains, and much, much more. Join me, Trainman 6000 and Lego MTA on our channels next Saturday at 9 a.m. for the subway action, followed by this major interview. See you on the platform.